Hey everyone, I can't get over how amazing my pani puri turned out today. The flavor were out of this world. Every bite was a burst of flavor that I just have to share with you guys. I made pani puri from scratch, and the real game changer was that sweet and tangy raw mango pickle that I made. It added an incredible flavor boost. The crispy puris, pani, masala, and that extra kick from the pickle made every bite unforgettable. You all should also give it a go. Honestly, it will not disappoint your taste bud. If you need recipe for that pickle, please let me know. I'll post it in next video.